Okay, so you want to become an Airbnb host,
Mm-hmm.
but you're not sure what kind of property is going to,
Right.
bring in those bookings. What
Yeah.
kind of place are people really looking for?
Hmm.
Well, we've got some awesome insights for you today from someone who really knows their stuff.
That's right.
A real Airbnb pro who's been there, done that, and seen what actually works.
Yeah.
And they actually highlight two things as being absolutely key to success:
Yeah.
location and unique experience.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with location.
Okay, so when it comes to location,
Yeah.
it's all about being where the action is.
Right.
Think about it. City centers near those popular tourist spots or close to, big business hubs.
Yeah, that makes total sense.
Right.
People want to be in the heart of things,
Exactly.
and they're willing to pay for that convenience.
Mm.
But what if you're not in a prime location?
Yeah.
What if you can't just, pick up and move to the trendiest part of town?
Right.
Is Airbnb still even an option?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah. And this is where our experts' advice gets really interesting.
Okay.
So they say, even if your location isn't, top tier,
Mm-hmm.
you can still create a property that people love by focusing on a unique experience.
Okay.
Because remember, you're not just competing with other Airbnbs on your street.
Right.
You're up against listings from all over the world.
Wow. Yeah.
So you got to find a way to stand out.
Okay. I'm all ears. Give me an example.
Okay, so picture this. There's this charming cottage an hour outside of Edinburgh.
Okay.
Everyone told the owner it was a terrible location for Airbnb.
Really?
Way too far from the city, not convenient for tourists at all.
Yeah.
But instead of giving up, they got creative.
Okay.
They turned this cottage into a romantic getaway haven.
Ooh.
Hot tub under the stars, champagne and chocolates waiting for you when you arrive.
Wow.
The whole 9 yards.
Nice.
And guess what? They actually started attracting locals.
Really?
Yeah, it became the go-to spot for anniversaries,
Yeah.
romantic escapes, you name it.
So they kind of create their own niche.
Exactly. They found a need and they filled it.
That's awesome. But how did they know to target couples specifically?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
And it shows you that successful Airbnb hosts, they don't just get lucky. They do their research. They look at what's already out there, what their competitors are offering, and they find the gaps.
I see.
So in this case, the owner probably noticed that there weren't many romantic getaway options in the area.
Yeah.
And they made their property and their marketing appeal to that specific group.
Smart. Okay. I need to hear another example.
All right, you imagine a beautiful 20-acre farmhouse.
Okay.
Nothing wrong with it, but it's pretty standard, not exactly drawing in tons of bookings.
Right.
Then the owner has this brilliant idea.
Okay.
They add a treasure hunt experience using metal detectors.
That's cool.
Right, and suddenly families are going crazy for it.
Wow.
They want to come stay and have this fun, unique adventure.
So they basically took this ordinary property
Yeah.
and made it extraordinary.
Exactly, by adding that one special element.
Amazing. Okay, so for anyone listening who's dreaming of starting their own Airbnb,
Yeah.
what's the big takeaway here?
Think outside the box.
Okay.
Don't get discouraged if your location isn't perfect.
Mm-hmm.
You can still create an amazing experience that gets people excited to stay with you.
Yeah.
So think about what's missing in your market.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of travelers do you want to attract? And how can you make their stay truly memorable?
This is great advice.
Yeah.
All right, so let's recap the 2 key points.
Okay.
First, you got to assess your location.
Yeah.
Is it near anything that people are going to want to see or do?
Mm-hmm.
And what kind of travelers would naturally be interested in that area?
Right.
Second, if location isn't your strong suit,
Uh-huh.
brainstorm ways to make your property stand out.
Yeah.
What unique features or experiences can you offer?
And that doesn't just mean, a hot tub or a treasure hunt. It could be anything. Get creative.
Yeah.
Maybe you decorate a room with a specific theme, or you partner with local businesses to offer special packages. Or you just provide amazing personalized service that goes above and beyond.
I love it. Well, this has been a fantastic deep dive. Thank you so much for sharing these insights.
My pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there, we want to leave you with this question.
Mm-hmm.
What hidden potential does your property have?
Yeah.
What kind of experience could you create to make it truly special?
Think about it.
Don't underestimate the power of a unique touch.
Mm-hmm.
Go out there, make those Airbnb dreams a reality.
That's right.
And maybe we'll see you on Airbnb sometime.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks for listening.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.